Nutmeg. The warm, aromatic spice that elevates our favorite dishes holds a secret. This unassuming seed is a treasure trove of wellness, offering a range of health benefits. Beyond its culinary contributions, nutmeg has been recognized for centuries for its medicinal properties. This exploration into nutmeg's potential is for informational purposes only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Let's delve into the fascinating world of nutmeg and uncover its hidden powers. From easing digestion to promoting restful sleep, nutmeg's benefits are surprisingly diverse. Join us as we uncover the science behind this remarkable spice and how you can incorporate it into your life for a healthier you. Nutmeg contains compounds that can help soothe the digestive tract, making it a natural remedy for indigestion and bloating. Its essential oils are known to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help alleviate pain and discomfort. Additionally, nutmeg has been used in aromatherapy to reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calm and relaxation. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet can also support brain health, as it contains myristicin, a compound that may enhance cognitive function. On the beauty front, nutmeg can be used in skincare routines to help achieve a glowing complexion thanks to its antibacterial properties. Whether you sprinkle it on your morning oatmeal or add it to your evening tea, nutmeg's versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. So the next time you reach for this humble spice, remember the myriad of benefits it brings to the table. Embrace the power of nutmeg and let it enhance not just your meals, but your overall well-being. With its rich history and diverse applications, nutmeg truly is a spice worth celebrating. Join us on this journey to discover more about the wonders of nutmeg and how it can enrich your life in unexpected ways. Nutmeg's use extends far beyond the kitchen. For centuries, traditional medicine systems, particularly in Asia, have recognized nutmeg's therapeutic potential. Ancient healers utilized nutmeg to address a variety of ailments. These practices, passed down through generations, piqued the interest of modern science. Researchers began to investigate nutmeg's chemical composition, seeking to understand its effects on the human body. This exploration led to fascinating discoveries, confirming some of nutmeg's long-held benefits. One of nutmeg's most well-known benefits is its ability to soothe digestive discomfort. Compounds found in nutmeg, like eugenol, possess anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm the digestive tract. These properties can be particularly helpful in easing nausea, bloating, and gas. Adding a pinch of nutmeg to your meals or enjoying a warm beverage with grated nutmeg can provide welcome relief. Remember to start with small amounts and listen to your body's response. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection. However, chronic inflammation can contribute to various health problems. Nutmeg's anti-inflammatory properties, attributed to compounds like myristicin and alemecin, may offer some relief. Studies suggest that nutmeg extracts could help manage pain associated with conditions like arthritis. While more research is needed, these findings highlight nutmeg's potential in natural pain management. It's essential to consult your healthcare provider before using nutmeg for medicinal purposes. Sleep serenity. Nutmeg's sedative secrets. Struggling to get a good night's sleep? Nutmeg might be able to help. This spice has long been used as a natural sleep aid, and for good reason. Nutmeg contains compounds that exhibit sedative effects, promoting relaxation and sleep. Small doses of nutmeg, like a pinch in warm milk before bed, can help calm the mind and induce sleep. However, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of nutmeg can have adverse effects. Brain booster. Nutmeg for cognitive enhancement. Beyond its physical benefits, nutmeg may also offer cognitive support. Some studies suggest that nutmeg extracts could have a positive impact on brain function, particularly in areas like memory and learning. The compounds in nutmeg are thought to enhance neurotransmitter activity, potentially boosting cognitive performance. While research is still in its early stages, these findings provide intriguing insights into nutmeg's potential brain-boosting properties. Antioxidant armor. Nutmeg's protective properties. Free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells, are a natural byproduct of metabolism. Antioxidants help neutralize these harmful molecules, protecting our bodies from oxidative stress. Nutmeg is a good source of antioxidants. These antioxidants, including phenolic compounds and flavonoids, contribute to nutmeg's overall health benefits. By incorporating nutmeg into your diet, you can enhance your body's natural defenses against oxidative damage. Safety and side effects. Using nutmeg responsibly. Nutmeg is a popular spice known for its warm, nutty flavor and is often used in baking and cooking. While nutmeg offers a range of potential health benefits, it's crucial to use it responsibly. This spice can enhance the taste of your dishes, but moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of nutmeg, especially in concentrated forms like essential oil, can lead to adverse effects. It's important to be aware of the potential risks associated with overconsumption. These effects can include nausea, vomiting, hallucinations, and even toxicity. In severe cases, nutmeg poisoning can lead to serious health complications that require medical attention. Always start with small amounts of nutmeg and monitor your body's response. A pinch of nutmeg can go a long way in adding flavor without risking your health. Individuals with pre-existing medical conditions or taking medications should consult their healthcare provider before using nutmeg medicinally. This is especially important for those with liver conditions or those who are pregnant. By using nutmeg responsibly, you can enjoy its unique flavor and potential health benefits without experiencing adverse effects. Always follow recommended guidelines and consult professionals when in doubt. Incorporating nutmeg. Tips and tricks. Adding nutmeg to your culinary creations is simple and rewarding. Its warm, slightly sweet flavor complements both sweet and savory dishes. A pinch of nutmeg enhances the taste of creamy sauces, vegetable dishes, and baked goods. For a comforting beverage, try adding a dash of nutmeg to your coffee, tea, or warm milk. Remember, a little goes a long way. Experiment with small amounts to find the perfect balance for your palate. Embrace the spice of life. Nutmeg, the unassuming spice rack staple, holds a wealth of wellness potential. From aiding digestion to promoting restful sleep, nutmeg has been cherished for centuries in various cultures for its medicinal properties. This humble spice is more than just a flavor enhancer, it's a powerhouse of health benefits waiting to be unlocked. Beyond its culinary uses, nutmeg is known for its calming effects, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. Incorporating nutmeg into your diet may also support brain health, potentially boosting cognitive function and memory retention. Imagine starting your day with a sprinkle of nutmeg in your morning coffee or smoothie, setting a positive tone for mental clarity and focus. Nutmeg offers a range of intriguing benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. This can contribute to overall better health and a stronger immune system. Additionally, nutmeg's anti-inflammatory properties can aid in relieving pain and discomfort, making it a natural remedy for those with chronic conditions. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not replace professional medical advice. While nutmeg can be a beneficial addition to your wellness routine, it's important to use it in moderation. Excessive consumption can lead to adverse effects, so always consult with a healthcare provider to determine the right amount for you. If you have any concerns or questions, consult your healthcare provider. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual health needs and conditions. It's always best to approach any new dietary changes with informed guidance. If you found this exploration of nutmeg's health benefits insightful, we encourage you to delve deeper into the world of spices. Each spice has its unique set of benefits and can contribute to a healthier lifestyle. We encourage you to like this video, as your support helps us bring more valuable content to you. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on health, wellness, and the amazing benefits of natural ingredients. And share this valuable information with your friends and family. Spreading knowledge about the natural goodness of spices can inspire others to make healthier choices. Let's embrace the natural goodness that nature provides. From the vibrant markets to our own gardens, these spices are gifts that can enhance our well-being. So let's spice up our lives with wellness, embracing a lifestyle that celebrates health, happiness, and the simple joys of natural living.